Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious spicy Korean chicken wings, and they are super duper flavorful and you'll be reaching for more. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. I have here some chicken wings. I already cut it into flats and drumettes, and then I'm just going to slightly season it with some salt and then some black pepper. And then with clean hands, just gonna go in and just give them a mix combine. Okay, I'm just going to set these aside for now. In a large bowl, I have some tapioca starch, and I'm going to add in some curry powder, bacon powder, and then some garlic powder and onion powder, along with some salt and some black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a mix combine. And then I'm going to slowly add in some cold water. And then you just kind of want to stir as you go. And it is going to be hard, but that's how it is. But once you keep stirring it, it will become nice and smooth. I'm just going to pour in the rest of them, and then I'm just going to give them a stir. And I just want to show you what I mean by it's hard. It kind of feels like clay, as you can see. But just keep stirring it, and then it'll become nice and smooth. Okay, this looks good. Now that it's nice and smooth, there's no more clumps, no more lumps. In a large wok or a large pot, you want to heat some oil. And then I'm going to go and grab a piece of chicken, and then I'm just going to dump it into the wet batter. And then just remove the excess liquid. And then you just want to slowly drop it in. With my tongue, I'm going to move them around just a bit so the chicken don't stick to each other and on the bottom of the wok. I'm going to deep fry them for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken are nice and brown and cooked through. Okay, after a good 13 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to remove them and place them onto a plate. For the batter, before each batches of uses, give it a stir before dipping the chickens. The flour will sink to the bottom if not stirred. And then I'm just going to continue with the process. And just place it down slowly. In a pot, I have some sweet cooking wine, and then I'm going to add in some soy sauce, along with some sugar, some chili flakes, and then some minced garlic. And then I'm just going to mix it up and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes over medium heat. I transfer the chicken into a large bowl, and then when the sauce is ready, I'm just going to give it a quick shake, and then I'm just going to pour it all over the chicken. I'm just going to mix it up to coat. Okay, and they look good. Here is the end result of the spicy Korean chicken wings. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!